Today, I'll be using drones to drop Holi powder. Let's get to it. First, the powder. Now you can get this on Amazon, it's actually quite cheap. For the release mechanism, we'll be using a remote switch that you can get on Amazon. Now it has a decent range of around 300 feet. In order to get the powder to drop all at once, I suspended the bag by 2 strings. That way the bag will tip over and dump all of the powder when I press the remote switch. Now that it's ready, let's go give this a try. Since this powder is biodegradable, we can basically use it to decorate anything, including nearby trees or even houses. By dropping the powder from very high up, we can basically decorate a large area. Now this was another idea I experimented with just a plastic bag. This worked really well at low altitudes because you could get the bag to basically spin very fast and the powder would just spread all over the ground. I tried using a box, and this actually works well with large quantities of powder. As you see, I went very high up, so you can't really tell, but I was able to carry up to 2 pounds of powder at each drop point. If you enjoyed this short video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.